Hello, my name is Brian and I'm going to talk about water pollution. I think you know a little about water pollution, but do we really know how the whole sea is polluted? And only the sea. We have rivers, lakes. Actually, I think all the water is polluted. Why people throw trash in the water? Why some companies or hotels throw their, throw their waste to the sea? We don't know how animals feel. We don't know how they survive. Not only fishes. In this picture we can see dead horses, and the point is not only animals feel this. Some humans now are living these kind of problems. Water pollution is a completely modification of water, usually caused by the humans, which make it improper or dangerous for human consumption. Industry, fishing, and recreational activities, as well as for animals. Although water pollution can produce natural sources, such as from a volcano, mm, but most occurrence of pollution comes from human activities. The development and the industrialization suppose a great use of water, a great generation of waste, many of which go for the water and the use of means of fluvial and maritime transport that many occasions. The principal cause of the contamination of the water is by your oil or fuel. Surface water is generally more vulnerable to anthropogenic pollution than groundwater. On the other hand, a surface source can be restored more quickly than than a underground source through seasonal runoff cycles. The effect on quality are different for lakes than reservoirs than for rivers, and different for aquifers of rock or sand and sand gravel. Water is the basic resource to guarantee the life of all the living beings of the planet. Even though its pollution prevents it from reaching of millions of people, being such is necessary as it. The main cause of pollution is the human being. The first cause is the dumping of industrial waste into the water. It eliminates its origin and it's contaminated. Deforestation is a second cause of pollution. Why? Deforestation that causes the appearance of bacteria underground and creates pollution, but this kind of pollution is groundwater. It's of groundwater. Another pollutant is the pesticides used in the crop fields. They are filtered by the underground channels and reach the water networks. Later we have contamination by natural disasters. In case of very strong rains of storms of water, all, all that water that is generated runs until arriving at rivers. Already it's contaminated. Many of those rivers connect with the sea. I think mm, another natural disasters could be dead marine. It's another factor of pollution. I think so. As we have already observed, humans have influenced to a large extent the pollution of our seas, of our rivers, of our lakes. After such a broad investigation, we can affirm that it's true, that we are running out it, and that what the little have left begin let go. We don't need into account consequence of our actions. I think acting correctly is what we should do. Really try to follow and carry these suggestions on how avoid water pollution. Have you create campaigns to care of water and force the people the industry and the force the people the industries and the companies that do don't have garbage in the sea, because one day all the water could be end.